Translating guided mind maps in local languages. In this video, we will explain the method of translating guided mind maps into any language of your preference. This will help you in reaching out to a large number of people for creating the mass entrepreneurship movement and lead to many grassroots and social innovations. Step 1. Go to https://translate.google.co.in/. Go to the down arrow icon given on the right side to select the language of your preference. This will open the language selector menu. Select the language of your preference from the menu. We select the Hindi language for this tutorial. Step 2. Open the mind map which you want to translate. To illustrate, we have selected the mind map on Innovations in HRD. Right-click on the central topic, Innovations in HRD. Click on Copy. Go to Google Translate website. Right-click on the left-hand side of Google Translate website. Right-click and select Paste option. This will copy the text of the entire mind map on the left-hand side with translation in the Hindi language on the right-hand side. Come down to the bottom of the translated section and click on the copy icon given there. Step 3. Go to Xmind and open a new mind map file. Delete the 3 default main topics given there. Right-click on the central topic and click on Paste. This action will paste all the text from Google Translate into the mind map. Go to the panel button of the mind map to customize the mind map. Click on the map icon. Click on Auto Balance Map. This will balance your mind map for easy working. Save the file on your computer with a new name to access later. You can similarly copy any other mind map or the sections in the mind maps into the language of your preference out of hundreds of languages given in Google Translate for localizing the content.